Traffic sign recognition. Tap the vehicle icon on the center display. Select Driving Assistance. Turn on Speed Sign Limits and choose the Speed Limit Awareness warning modes. The vehicle can acquire speed limit sign, prohibition sign and other road traffic sign information through cameras and the map, and via the driver's information display. Remind the driver of the current road sign information in real time. If the vehicle exceeds the speed limit of the current road, the system will issue an alarm to remind the driver to drive safely. There are some limitations on traffic sign recognition. In the following cases, the use of traffic sign recognition may be affected, resulting in miss or failed identification. Traffic sign recognition is designed to remind you of any current road regulations, help you maintain a legal speed, and observe local traffic restrictions.